I captured a couple observations and action items just to keep in mind. The first observation is that reimagining how we work together, which we've been doing since 1992, at this time, it's seems very, very swirly. We love loops and double loop models because those feel like rails we can follow. And right now, in this way, I think the loops have gotten a little wonky, swishy, swirly. And so the work that you all are doing now together in conversations like this is super important because there's a lot we have to figure out in the new tech landscape. Second observation, fundamentals haven't really changed. This came up a couple times. Andy, you had a great reflection about this morning. Jennifer, I've heard you refer back to this a couple times. The fundamentals really haven't changed. Those still seem to be evergreen, but how we apply them in our environments seems to be what's really in flux right now. And then last observation, not least, actually most important, y'all are the best. It's so special that you take time to come share with each other, be curious together, really generous with your experience and sharing your mistakes and thoughtful about how we can move forward together, make things better through collaborative environments like this one. So thanks for being here. Some action items, the AI blueprint, this really is a direct CTA. We would love to continue to iterate this. So please reference it and use it and come back often in Slack or events to tell us how it's going. We want more use cases, examples of how you all are piloting and scaling AI thoughtfully and strategically with intention. And Jennifer, this is a reflection of what you said this morning, but I think it captures it really well. This action item of we need to be more diligent and holistic about designing CX and EX experiences and making sure we're measuring well to ensure continuous improvement. This is something we've been practicing for 30 years, but if anything, we need to up our game. Hopefully we have tools to at our disposal now to bolster our efforts, but combined with all of the sort of rethinking we have to do, just more attention is necessary than ever before, questioning those assumptions, double checking things that were true last quarter might not be true next quarter, things like that. And please continue to come back and co-create with your fellow members. There are a couple events open for registration on the consortium events page. There's also some chatter in Slack about two follow-up meetings that are going to happen from open space convos. One was all about, what do we call it? KDA Bonanza. There was a lot of energy about KDA, KDE. So there's going to be a follow-up meeting about that. And another one about a relationship work. Speaking of human in the loop, how can we continue to really cultivate the unique human skills within the context of adaptive orgs and maybe revisit that nurturing and an adaptive org resource in the context of AI. And anything else at any time, friendly reminder, I hope you never forget that we are demand driven. So at any point, raise your hand, give us a shout in Slack or over an email. If there's a conversation or a challenge that you're experiencing, 99.9% chance there's another member who is too, or many. And so we'd love to set up any conversation that will help you all tackle those challenges together. And we can't wait to see you next time.
Thank you,
This was
everyone.
awesome.
Thank you, everyone.
We'll see you soon.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
you.
you.